Hi friends, this is Sunshine Annie here with my DIY composition book notebook planner. This was the last 2 weeks, the end of January and the beginning of February, because I kept it all with this same spread. And I decided that for February, this isn't sticking very good, I decided for February that I would change it up, because for me, February is icy here in Maine and snowy. So I decided to go with the blue, more like a pale blue. This was what I showed, I believe, last week, the beginning for February. I used some stickers from 2 different old packs that I had. These ones are still available at Hobby Lobby. And I only get them if they're on the discount. Some of this is my own doodles. I was trying to do some snowflakes. I started with the black pen and then decided I liked the blue better. And these ones were from a pack that I had from years ago, and I don't even know if you can find them anymore, but I love them. They just were big, so I used some of the other ones. I don't know. I used them at some point, I thought. Maybe I used them on something at one point. Oh, there's another one of them. They were big. Some of them, there were some smaller ones, but I don't know what I did with them, where I put them. But most of them were this larger size. So February, we are already at the 4th. I did this just using, I have a little stencil that I got that was through Happy Planner, I believe. And it was on sale at Hobby Lobby. So it was part of the Happy Planner sale, discount, whatever they have. And so I decided to use some of those here. The dots were part of it, and the lines were part of it. It kept it really simple. Do a few little flowers to kind of coordinate with that. And so this week, there aren't a lot, I don't have a lot of appointments. The big thing is I have a baby shower on Saturday for my daughter-in-law and my new grandbaby that's going to be coming in March. Very excited about that. I'm going to be back at work because I've been out this past week with COVID. And we had a dog training last Saturday that I couldn't go to. And yeah, this week is pretty just back to work, and hopefully I can make it without feeling awful. So today's menu item, I am making rice and beans. It's a recipe I'd found, and it adds in spinach and turmeric. It's really quite yummy. The rest of the week right now, we will be doing like some chicken and things like that. I have a regular early release on Wednesday. I may end up putting in either some stickers here in these little blank spots, or I may doodle, depending on how I'm feeling. But pretty much that's it as far as what I have planned. I'm trying to do a hair appointment on the 9th before the baby shower, just so that my hair doesn't look horrible, because I've had to cancel appointments because of my husband having COVID and then me having COVID. So, yeah. So, for my notes or my goals for the week is to, I always try to be more active, and I always try to make good, healthy choices. That doesn't mean I always make healthy choices, but I try to keep that in my mind. Always make sure I drink plenty of water, especially right now where I'm under the weather. For my mindset, I'm doing a little doodle there. I have been working on an art project that lasts a whole year. It's called Wanderlust. And trying to do that. Some of the stuff that I've done on it recently, I've not completed everything. I haven't been able to. I did get some new things to put in my toolkit, using these lovely little silicone scrapers, paint scrapers, or whatever you want to call them. And, you know, you can make lines in paint, and you can make your papers. I think I like these small ones the best, so I'm going to be looking for more that are these little ones. These ones are really fun to use. And they're not super expensive, especially if you can get them through like Michael's on a sale, or if you've got a, if you spend so much and you're part of their program, you get the $5 off. So I do that a lot when I get my art tools, brushes and paints and things like that. So part of my mindset goal is to continue on, even if I don't think that my art looks the way I want to continue on and push through my doubts. Because I mean, sometimes my art looks great. Sometimes it's okay. Sometimes I don't think it looks like anything that I would ever buy, certainly. But it's still creative, and that creativity is an outlet for me anyway. So this week, I also put on this washi tape that I've had for a while. I think I got it through Hobby Lobby. It was a 2-set, and it had stars on one, and then it had the dream, imagine, believe, hope on the others. And I think right now I need that in my life. I need to believe in myself a little more, and believe in that it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what anybody else thinks of my art. It's just what it is, and if it makes me feel good, then that's all that matters. This is what I've got for you this week. I hope that you have a great week coming up. I hope that everything goes well for you, and that everything that you want, you can achieve. And, you know, just remember to take it easy on yourself, and to do everything that you need to take care of yourself. Whatever it is, whether it's eating healthy, making healthy choices, drinking water and fluids, having a cup of tea and sitting and relaxing and reading a book, whatever you need to do to take care of yourself, make sure you're doing it. Sending lots of love and big hugs, and see you next week.